Good morning. It is the 28th of July, 8:22 a.m. We are throwing the last minute things together in the room to board the ship. So you can see this is very, very full. I don't know, but it's just going to be awkward to carry, and that's just the way it'll be. Rob can stick this in his pocket or hold it if he needs to. Basically, as soon as we get on the ship, he'll fill it up with a drink anyway. We bring those because we don't purchase the drink package, so this allows us to, there's free lemonade, coffee, tea, water in the areas in the buffet area all the time. So, and it's convenient to get to, it's no big deal. So when we need a drink or something, that's what we do. We go and grab that. And it's just, we don't drink enough to warrant the price of the soda package. So, and if we really, really want a soda, it's a couple bucks, and fine, we'll grab a soda at the bar or something. I left my multi-plug extension cord thing at home. I never do that. I can't believe I left it at home. And I actually had to buy a fan this time because we didn't have room in the luggage to pack it like we did for the seaside. We took a bigger bag with us on the seaside. This time we were trying smaller luggage because we were flying Spirit and I didn't want to check a bag. Well, no, I think next time I will just bring the bigger bag. So there's the shuttle. We are not on that one since there are only 4 of us going to the Magic. They're actually sending a separate van. So they're all going to the Disney cruise. Look at this family all dressed in their same outfit. Oh, there's only 2 of them out here, but all of them are in the same little stripy cover. That's so cute. All right, it's almost time. Are you ready?
Yay!
It's the Magic, right?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are headed this direction. We do have Faster the Fun this time, so we get to go into a little separate entrance area. So that's exciting. Side of the port. Okay, we're heading into the ship. We're back there, right back there. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. Here we go. Here we go. We're on the ship. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're on the ship. Here we go. Thank you. And of course, we have to go take this view. So excited. Lots of fun dancing happens down here. Look! This ship is basically empty right now. If you can swing faster to the fun, we got here an hour ago and we're already on the ship. I don't even think it was an hour. I think it's been about 45 minutes and we are now on the ship. I am so excited for this. This is floor 5. Hello. Really?
Yeah, like he was on the dream. Just imagine the old days, luggage didn't have wheels. You had to pick that stuff up and lug it.
We will be going through all of these shops. If you've watched any of our cruise vlogs, you know I love these little shops.
I want to see.
This is the only time you'll get to see the casino is when it's closed. Ooh, Quick Hits Platinum. Ooh, I like that game. I play it on my phone, but I don't typically gamble. I may give them 20 bucks. Wow, this is an open casino. This one looks so different. Oh, the smell.
Yeah, the research can be a curse sometimes. Like, I don't know. It's like I'm trying to get better at like I barely research anything on the list. I'm trying to keep it that way.
I want to be surprised on the ship. Yeah. I will say, oh wow, there's Disney right there. Oh, we're definitely gonna have to go out on the decks and get some pictures. Lots of cologne in this elevator.
Yeah.
Wow.
Man.
Woo,
Ladies at
goodness.
the store the other day. And
Okay, yeah. Is this 8? This is 8.
I'm stronger than
Thank you.
All right, so we get to go straight to our rooms, which I don't know what my room number is.
You're on the corner. Easy.
8473. So now when you come to your room, your card will be in your room or in your mailbox outside of your room. They no longer give it to you at check-in, which is different. And with Faster to the Fun, our rooms are ready, and our luggage should be here in just a moment. There we are. We'll see you in a minute.
We're right over here.
Oh, we can't get in.
Cards ain't in our mailbox.
Yeah, our cards aren't here. Oh, Rob got in. How'd you get in?
It wasn't closed.
Push, see if you get through.
no, ours is definitely locked.
Huh.
You sure we got 8477?
8473. Oh, wow, this is very different.
Very tiny.
Very compact. Okay.
There's no couch.
And there's no light in. Oh, there is no couch. There's the light. Okay. All right, so let's do this room tour. So we've just walked in, and here is our cabinetry. All right, so you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Here are the drawer, the shelves, and here is the mirror, full-size mirror. A little chair over here, the ottoman, and there is more storage back here. One moment. Okay, he's bringing our keys right now. Here we go. So there. Your life jackets, your hanging, and your bedding. We will actually ask for more hangers. You do need to put in your card to keep your lights on. So our lights will be on for a few more minutes and then they will turn off. So there you go. I've got to find the air conditioner. Now, typically when you're in port, your room is a little warmer than normal. What a different room. I am so not used to this type of room. What is this? Oh, this is the bathroom. There we go. Okay, so here is the potty. It's typical size, shower with the loose curtain. There we go. This room is a little awkward. You can see we're gonna have to kind of trade places a lot. That's okay. The point of this room is the balcony. All right, so in here should be the refrigerator. Yep. And the safe. There we go. And there's the refrigerator, which is not cold. So let's close that and get that to get cold. They don't typically find them too terribly cold. Towels for the pool, you can exchange them. You can also take them out in port with you. Oh, let's turn this off. There's the TV. Okay, and then over here is a little dressing area, which is where the plug is. Oh, great, we have 2 plugs, but the plug is way over here and the bed is over here, and we don't have an extension cord, and I am now on the ship. So that is something to note for this room. You will need an extension cord if you need a fan. I will run it as far as I can. I may have to like pull the chair out or something. I'll figure it out. But
You have to sleep on that side.
I'll have to sleep on this side for sure. So anyway, okay, and here's more drawers with the hairdryer. Let's turn on the hairdryer so you can see. I'll give you a... Now, I have really thick, oh, that was going down, sorry. Oh, I have really, really thick hair. So this hairdryer does not provide enough blow for me. Enough air, wind turbulence, I don't know, whatever. There you go. And there you go, and a chair. This will be excellent for me to get dressed. Let's turn this on. Yep, I will definitely get dressed here. That'll be great. Perfect. I don't have to get dressed in the bathroom, put on makeup in the bathroom. And then here, look, there she is. Oh, One window. Another window. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. And then the door. So let's come out here and check out this balcony. Look. Oh, it's enormous. Okay, so I'm gonna stand in the corner over here. There you go. So we can stand. We'll have 2 shades and 2 recliner chairs and 2 regular chairs. And then we can sit here and we can look at the beautiful Disney. And look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to sail. All right, let's look down. There we go. I smell something delicious. I don't know what I smell. There we go. Look at the beautiful Disney ship. Okay, and then we can just walk back in the room. This door is much easier to open than some I've been on. And there you go. Ooh, that's very loud. So there you go. All right. What do you think?
It's very nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It is a different room, I will say that. So we're gonna have to get used to it. There are some tight corners. Yeah, but that's okay. It's a beautiful room, and this room, as I said, is all about the balcony. All right.
That balcony?
Yes, the balcony's awesome. I can't wait till we sail away. All right, so here we go. Only have 1 battery, so we're gonna have to come back to the room. Works?
That works.
All right, our friends are down there, and look at this long hallway. Okay, if you've watched any of our cruise vlogs, you know what I want to do in this hallway. I'll refrain. I'll behave. Okay, here we go. So excited. So on our upcoming Carnival Triumph, did I pass it? Oh, you'll be able to see an inside cabin. We will be on a balcony, but the kids will be on an inside cabin. Just hit my watch. All right, so let's figure out where we want to go. Looking for little guy's burgers. All right, so there's the ship. We are currently here. Okay, and we want to go to here, which is, what level is that again? Deck 5, promenade.
No.
No, we don't want to go there?
No, because that's the guy's pig and anchor.
Oh, I know it sure is. All right, so we want to go up. So we want to go to deck 10, Lido. All right, so we're going to head to 10. I got to tell you, it's really nice having Faster to the Fun. This is our first time because the ship is empty. It's amazing. You know, we're used to when you get on the ship, it's just packed. Are you ready for some guy's burger?
Yes.
Yay!
I don't think they open until 11:45 though.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's 11:20.
Okay, it'll open soon. All right, here we go. Oh, this is the aft back of the ship, so let's look at this real quick. Well, the pool is empty. All right, we'll be meeting here later with our friends.
Pizza.
Oh, there's pizza. Okay, so here's the aft pool. And that is Pizzeria del Capitano. There's a bar. There's the hot tub. And we will explore the whole ship through the vlogs. We don't really do a single ship tour. We just kind of do it as we go. Oh, look at the port view. That's awesome. I'm gonna get some pictures. Look. Awesome. Ooh, it's warm out here today. And there's Tandor. Awesome. And there's the beautiful Disney Magic. I mean, the Disney, I don't know what ship it is. We are on the Fantasy. Alrighty.
That's a
Okay,
big boat.
that is a huge ship. All right, so let's go up. Get ready to sweat, babe.